Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ash's Kitchen. Today we are making something super comforting, braised pork ribs with potatoes. Look at the tender pork ribs, melt in your mouth potatoes, and a rich savory sauce clinging to every bite. This is a kind of dish that warms your soul and fills your kitchen with the most irresistible aroma. I will show you how to make this comforting classic right at home, step by step. I've got about 1.87 pounds of pork ribs here, and this is already chopped by butcher. Just make sure to give them a good rinse when you get home. Next, let's prepare our potatoes. Just cut them into nice chunky pieces like this. Also, let's get some aromatics ready. Ginger, star onions, bay leaves, cinnamon, and a few dried chilies. So let's start cooking now. Add the water into the wok and drop in the ribs. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Once it comes to a boil, skim off the scum. Now let's fish them out and rinse them in warm water, not cold, warm, so the meat stays tender. Alright, now heat up some oil and toast the ribs in. Give them a quick fry, about 30 seconds, just enough to get rid of any leftover gaminess. Don't overcook. Now, throw in all those aromatics we prepared and stir fry until you can really smell everything waking up. Next, add 2 tablespoons of soybean paste and stir fry everything together until it smells amazing. Then pour in 1.5 tablespoons of cooking wine, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix everything well. Look at that beautiful color starting to come through. Now, pour in hot water, enough to just cover the ribs. Lift the lid off and let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, transfer everything to a pressure cooker or a multifunctional rice cooker. If you are using the pressure cooker, it only takes about 6 to 8 minutes after it builds pressure. If you are using the multifunctional rice cooker like me, set it on stew mode for about 30 minutes. Okay, while that's going, let's fry up our potatoes. Add a little oil to the wok and fry the potatoes until they are golden on the outside. Alright, ribs are done. Let's bring them back into the wok along with all that flavorful broth. Season with 1 teaspoon of MSG. No extra salt for now. The soybean paste already brings plenty of saltiness. Now add some rock sugar, around 11 grams. It will make everything extra glossy and deepen the flavor. Cover it up and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, time's up. Let's take a look. See that? Meltingly soft. Just perfect. Look at this. Tell me, doesn't this make you hungry? Wow, it's insanely good. The meat is tender and just forced off the bone. No trace of gaminess at all. The potato is packed with flavor and perfectly soft. This dish is pure comfortable. You're gonna try this at home. It's simple, it's hearty, and it's seriously delicious. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.